In this video, we'll demonstrate how to remove and install the WLAN card. Before removing the WLAN card, read through the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at the Dell support site. Before you begin, ensure that you turn off your computer and all attached peripherals. Remove the microSD card, base cover, and disconnect the battery cable. To remove the microSD card, push and release the microSD card from the computer. To remove the base cover, loosen the 8 captive screws that secure the base cover to the computer. Using a plastic scribe, pry the base cover at the indents near the left and right hinges and continue to work on the sides to open the base cover. Then, lift and remove the base cover away from the computer. Disconnect the battery cable from the connector on the system board. Then, turn the computer over and open the display. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to ground the computer and drain the flea power. After draining the flea power, close the display and turn the computer over. Now, let's remove the WLAN card. Remove the single screw that secures the WLAN card bracket and WLAN card to the system board. You can now remove the WLAN card bracket that secures the WLAN antenna cables and then disconnect the 2 antenna cables from the connectors. Now, slide and lift the WLAN card away from the WLAN card slot on the system board. You've successfully removed the WLAN card. Now, let's see how to install the WLAN card. To begin, insert the WLAN card into the connector on the system board and connect the antenna cables to the connectors on the WLAN card. You can now place the WLAN card bracket on the WLAN card and secure it with a single screw. Once the WLAN card has been installed, ensure to connect the battery cable, install the base cover and the microSD card back to the computer. Now, you can connect the battery cable to the connector on the system board. To install the base cover, align and place the base cover on the computer. You can press the edges and sides of the base cover until it snaps into place. Now, tighten the 8 captive screws to secure the base cover to the computer. And finally, align and slide the microSD card into its slot on the computer until it clicks into place. For more information, see the service manual document at dell.com/support.